Hello everyone, I am Farhanmajeed. I hope you all will be fine in this crucial period of pandemic that's COVID-19. It's yet to be uncertain that how much damage it will cause to the society, how much damage it will cause to their human life, and how much damage it will cause to their education sector. So, regarding this pandemic, regarding this lockdown, I started a YouTube channel with the name as Electrical Domain. In this channel, I will provide basic concepts of each and every subject of electrical engineering, and also I will make separate playlist for each and every subject of electrical engineering. One more important thing is that I want to share with you people, that is I will make one separate playlist which is related to the day-to-day awareness videos. I hope you will get benefit from my YouTube channel. Thank you very much. We'll see you soon in the coming video lectures.